So, two things to pay attention to in this problem. One is that they're asking for the measure of the arc, so we got to make sure when we're all done, we give them that. So notice DF, that's this one. It's the major arc. Okay, so that's what we're going to find when we're done. Now, check this out. And and also notice DF, whatever DF is, or whatever X is, see how DF is the arc that goes with 10x minus 5? This arc right here is twice whatever 10x minus 5 is. So when we figure out what x is, that's what we're going to do with it afterwards. So now let's write our equation. So this angle and this angle, this 7x minus 2 has to do with this angle, and 10x minus 5 has to do with this angle. See how this angle, this inscribed angle, is the rest of the circle? So since this arc and this arc add up to 360, these two angles add up to 180 because they're half of the arcs. So that means that 10x minus 5, 10x minus 5 plus 7x minus 2 equals 180. So there we go. 17x minus 7 is equal to 180. I'm going to add 7 to both sides. 17x is equal to 187. Divide both sides by 7. I'm going to get x is 11. I'd like to put a box around it, but I'm not finished. I'm going to take this x equals 11 and put it in here. So 2 times 10 times 11 minus 5, that's 110 minus 5. 2 times 110 minus 5, that's 2 times 105, that's 210. There we go. There's our actual answer. So, equation-wise on number 7, it's simple. We know this plus this has to equal 360, right? Because that's the whole circle. So 34x plus 4 plus 144 plus 20x minus 4 equals 360. They want BC. So when we're finished figuring out what x is, we're going to put it into this. So let me do some algebra here. 360 equals, let's see, that's 54x. 148. Oh, these guys cancel each other out. Plus 144. 360 minus 144. Okay, so 54x equals 216 divided by 54. That's 4. So x is 4. 20 times 4 minus 4 is 80 minus 4, 76. So BC is 76. If they had wanted this angle right here, if this is 76, it makes this angle be half of that, 35, 36. This would be 38. If that's what they'd ask for. But no, they asked for the arc, which is 76 degrees.